Hello dear students, welcome to social science class. I hope all of you are doing good. Today we will discuss the topic the earth in the solar system. Under this topic we will discuss about the celestial bodies, stars and constellations, solar system. Under solar system we will learn about our planet earth, then we have the satellite, the moon, and then we will discuss about asteroids, meteoroids and comets. When we stand in terrace and when we look up in the sky, we can see stars and moon. What are these called? Yes, these are called celestial bodies. So, all the objects that we can see in the sky are called celestial bodies or heavenly bodies. They include stars, planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids and comets. Now let us get started with the concept universe. The universe was created over 15 billion years ago. The Big Bang theory is the most widely accepted explanation for the creation of the universe. This theory states that universe began with a tremendous explosion and expansion. Due to this explosion, atoms and later molecules were formed. These molecules came together and formed giant clouds of gases and dust particles called nebula. So this was about the universe. Now let us discuss about stars and constellations. Celestial bodies that produce their own heat and light are called stars. They are made up of hot and burning gases. They are huge in size. They move around the center of a galaxy. Millions of stars together make a galaxy. Several million galaxies make up the universe. The galaxy to which our solar system belongs is called the Akash Ganga or the Milky Way. Constellations. Clusters of stars are called constellations. Astronomers have joined the stars in a constellation by imaginary lines, giving them different shapes. One of the constellations is the Ursa Major or Great Bear. It is called Saptarishi in India. As an activity, I want you all to find the difference between stars and constellations. Now let us discuss about solar system. The word sol means sun and thus solar means belonging to the sun. It consists of the sun at the center, the 8 planets, their satellites, the asteroids, meteoroids, comets, all of which around the sun. As an activity, I want you all to draw and label solar system in a chart. Now let us discuss about planets. The word planet is derived from the Greek word wanderer. Planets do not have their own heat and light as they are made up of solid material and gases. They reflect the light received from the sun. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Planets have 2 types of movements, that is rotation and revolution. Now let us discuss about the planet Earth. The Earth is the 5th largest planet and the 3rd nearest to the Sun. It is spherical in shape, slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. The shape is described as geoid. Our Earth is known as the unique planet because it is the only planet in the solar system where life is known to exist. Now let us discuss about Earth satellites, the moon. Our Earth has only one satellite, the moon. It is situated at a distance of about 2,84,400 kilometers from the Earth. The Moon has no light of its own. It is the Sun's light reflected by the Moon. The light reaches us in about 1.25 seconds. The Moon appears in the sky in different shapes, which are called phases of the Moon. When the Moon looks like a full disk, it is called full moon or Purnima. As an activity, I want you to write the names of few space satellites launched by India. Now let us discuss about asteroids, meteoroids and comets. Asteroids are celestial bodies similar to planets. They revolve around the Sun in their own elliptical orbits, which lie between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. These are also called as planetoids. There are 40,000 such asteroids, the largest of which is Ceres. Meteoroids are small pieces of rocks which revolve around the Sun. Some of these particles enter the Earth's atmosphere with great velocity. Due to friction with the atmosphere, they get heated up and start glowing. This is how meteoroids are formed. Comets. They are glowing heavenly bodies revolving around the Sun in elongated orbits. They are mostly made up of dust, ice particles and gases. So students, in this class we have discussed about the Earth in the solar system. Under this we have learnt about the universe, stars and constellation, solar system, our planet Earth, the satellite Moon, asteroids, meteoroids and comets. That's it for today students. I hope all of you will do the activity. See you soon. Thank you.